I'm not ahead at all. I just got through the tutorial. Also, look at me! I did some cosmetics and I'm a silly little guy. There is creature randomization on, and also Twitch integrations. You can give me little gifts and treats. Come here, bug. Haha. Nom nom nom. Or you can make me so. Good heavens! An explosive for me? Oh, you spoil me. Oh! Oh dear. Hello, gentlemen. I need to get there. Come here. Mauled to death. Chewed, munched even. No, I see you. No, sir, go away. You still there? Ah! Oh wait, I have a bomb, but I don't want to hurt myself. I'll go the long way. Flower. Bedtime. Oh. I appear to have killed myself. Thank God I eated that flower. Hello. I want to kill and eat you. Ha ha ha. Oh, hello. I want to grab my bomb that I was given as a gift. It's going in my tummy. Hello. Silly. The silly. Ick. Ick. Okay. Horrible beast. I panicked. Okay. Oh my god, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on out from in there. I need to eat you. Hello? There you fucking are. I'm sorry, what are you doing here? Another one of yous. Go away. Ah! Ah! She's that on my karma till I, huh? Till I what? Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! I gotta get out! I gotta get out! Alright, what is out here? What can I use this wonderful explosive spear on? I'm just a little guy, I'm just a little guy, I'm just a little guy, I'm just a little guy. I see flies and I want them. Come on, come back through and let me grab you. Ha ha ha. Drugs! I had drugs on accident! Ugh! I'm so bad at this game. No pipe bomb. I'm a hungry little guy. Stop exploding my food. I should be able to get... Bitch. Oh, I see you. I see you, you horrible animal. Not dealing with that. explosive! In the tummy. Oh wait, no, there's already one in my tummy. A dream. Okay, I can continue from this. I need more food. Why am I in danger? Oh! Somebody big is— oh no! What the hell? That's not nice! You're not nice! Well, I can't go that way then. Good golly. Sweet wampum. Shut up, Iggy. No one cares. Oh, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ugh. How am I gonna get back? An explosive! No, 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 no. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Go away. Die, 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 die. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Ugh, horrible animal. Hey, wait. Oh, I'm not full on food. Sorry, Yeek. No, I'm kidding. I could never bring myself to harm a Yeek. You bastard animal. I see you. I see you. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Flower. Wait, this is where I died, isn't it? Yeah! This is my friend now. Yeah! I can't release him, he's my friend. What's over here that's danger? I see! Well, while you're eating him, I will take this opportunity. I love this thing! I love Yeek! Okay. I'm sorry, Yeek. Distract him. Yeah, Yeek! None of this stuff matters anymore. I can go— Scav? Well, that Scav's having a not great time. Let me help you, friend. Hee. Nap time. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Progression.